Hey, do you live in the USA? Railing is required for any deck or balcony over 2.5 feet tall. So, should you install a 36-inch or 42-inch railing? If you're building a deck or balcony, you need to know more than what just looks good. You need to know the code compliance in your county. Hey, I'm Michael Leake with Peak. Quick question. How tall does your deck railing need to be? The standard International Residential Code says 36 inches for single-family homes in most of the U.S. It's a great balance between safety and view. But here's the key. Some states have adopted the stricter 42-inch commercial standard for residential safety. That 6-inch difference means getting your code wrong can hold your project. Don't assume national building codes apply in your county. Before you build, always consult local building codes. Know your height and build it right the first time.